Long ago, God called a prophet named Hosea to deliver a very unusual message to his people. God asked Hosea to marry Gomer. Hosea obeyed God and married Gomer. They had a son, and God instructed Hosea to name him Jezreel, reminding Israel of judgment that was coming. Then they had a daughter named Lo-Ruhamah, meaning not shown mercy. God was warning Israel that they could not continue rejecting him without consequences. Another son was born and named Lo-Ami, meaning not my people. Israel had broken its covenant relationship with God. Gomer was unfaithful to Hosea and left him. Her actions became a picture of Israel's unfaithfulness to God. Israel had also turned away from God. They worshipped other gods and forgot the one who had loved and cared for them. But God did not want to abandon his people. He promised to speak tenderly to them and restore their relationship with him. Then God gave Hosea another difficult command. Go, show your love to your wife again. Hosea went and found Gomer. Even after her unfaithfulness, he chose to love her and bring her back. Hosea told Gomer that she would remain with him and that their relationship would be restored. Hosea's marriage was a powerful picture of God's relationship with Israel. Though his people had wandered away, God continued to call them back. His desire is not destruction. When people turn away, and a renewed relationship with him.